David. I'm a tech guy from the beautiful city of Ottawa, Canada. Right now, traveling in Southeast Asia.
Today, I'll show you how easy it is to embed a catalog into your website or Shopify store.
First, select the catalog you want to embed from My Zines. Click on Publish and then Public. Scroll down and click Done. Next, click the share icon at the top of the screen. Now you can choose. You can embed your catalog as an iframe on the original web page or in a new pop-up window. To embed your catalog as an iframe, first customize the dimensions, either percents or pixels. Then check off transparent background. Now you need to copy the code and paste it into your website builder. Within Shopify, click on Add section. Scroll down to Custom Content. You need to remove the default placeholders from the image and the text, and then click Add Content and Custom HTML. Now you can paste your code into the text area. And change the heading. And your catalog is embedded into your pages. Save your changes. And your catalog is ready. Your customers can browse your shoppable catalog. And just one click takes them to their cart.